and welcome to Unusual Questions. Today we will ask a question that really haunts us for centuries. In fact, people always think how we can make the process of aging slower. Well, slower than the reality. I mean, in reality, we age naturally with the lapse of time. But can we do that, or can we control that? Can we make it slow down? That is today's question. Hello and welcome to GunSlet, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you. Before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. Well, the thing is, theoretically, it is possible. How it is possible? Let us start with Einstein's famous, in fact, the most famous formula in the world, E is equal to mc square, which involves one constant, that is the speed of light, which is 299,792,458 meters per second, or almost 300,000 kilometers per second. Okay, so and that is the speed limit of the universe. Remember, that is the speed limit. It's a constant speed. The speed of light in a vacuum is a fixed value, approximately what I said, just 299,792,458 meters per second. And it's a universal speed. That means nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. This is a cornerstone of Einstein's theory of special relativity. Now, theoretically, I again repeat theoretically, it is possible to make time dilation. What is that? Time is relative. That means it deals with a concept like relativity of time. As a human being, if we approach the speed of light, time slows down relative to a stationary observer. This is known as time dilation. That means it's analogous to something like someone is standing on the earth and you are moving through the space in that speed of light. In that case, the observer feels that time slows down, and practically there is a paradox also, a famous thought experiment that illustrates this effect. If one twin travels at near light speed while the other stays on Earth, as I just mentioned, the traveling twin will age more slowly upon their return. Now I repeat that this is possible only theoretically. In reality, it is not achievable, of course, because nothing can gain the speed of light. Nothing can achieve that speed. So it's a paradox, basically. And you can remember that it's a relative effect. That means who is watching, who is observing, to her or him or them, it happens like this. That means if you come back after some time to the earth, it looks like the person who was standing and watching you, observing you, reach the age of 40 years or 50 years, but your age increases only by 6 months, something like that. Now, the nature of reality is the relationship between the speed of light and time challenges our everyday intuitions about space and time. That means the speed of light is not just a physical constant, it's a fundamental aspect of the universe that shapes our understanding of space, time and energy. Another thing is, that is also very interesting, that means mass energy equivalence, which I repeat, E is equal to mc square, Einstein's famous equation. It reveals that mass and energy are interchangeable. That means here mass is you or me, and if we achieve the speed of light, which is a fundamental constant of course, and the value is squared, that means c squared, in that case energy generates. That means the equation explains how nuclear reactions release massive amounts of energy as a small amount of mass is converted into energy. That means basically we make that small amount of mass, make that travel in the speed of light or close to the speed of light, so that it generates massive energy. Exactly how it happens I will explain in another video, because that's a separate topic altogether. And always remember that whether we can slow down our age or not, theoretically it depends, but in reality it is unachievable. So if you consider thinking about science fiction, then it's possible, of course. You can age slowly, and if you move ahead with the speed of light, you can age slowly, but there is a chance that you can also convert into massive energy. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and take care.